Okay. Ayos na ayos. Walang medal dyan ha. Sarado.
Nice deep by Sir Ignacio. Ganda passes sa ilalim. 2 points by number 9. Beach ball. Steve Wesley Torres. Rebounded by Sir Kim. Ginugulo ng tatlo. Number 13, wala. Kuha ni Sir JP. Sir JP pass to Sir Torres. Sir Pablo for 3, wala. Rebound by number 13. Pass to Sir Kim. Sir Kim tinatawid ng bola. Anong gagawin ni Sir Kim? Perimeter shot. No good. Rebounded by Sir Kim. Sir Ignacio, pass to Sir Philip. Wala. Kuwani. Number 9. Fast break by number 38. Easy 2 points by number 38. Rebound na naman ni number 9. Ang ganda naman pasa yun. Easy layup. Good shot yan. Sir Ignacio versus Sir Philip. Good for 2. Number 3, wala. Pass to Sir Pablo. Time to shoot. Sir JP, wala. 20. Number 13. Beach, nagmamadali. Beach ang gagawin ng Beach. Pass to number 9. Perimeter shot. Wala. 20. Beach pa rin. Easy to pass yan by number 13. Good for 2. Sir Philip Villamor. Bridge, nagmamadali. Sir Kim, pass to. Wala. Deflect by Sir Ignacio. Sir Ignacio, pass to Sir Torres. Sir Torres, perimeter shot. Wala. Kuha ba rin ng red. Perimeter shot. Wala pa rin. ganda naman ng pasa na yun. Time to shoot. Same ball. Mandatory substitution rep. Four seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Fast break, good points dyan. By number 30.
Foul.
Rebounded by number 9. Sir Gallardo, pass to number 30. Easy 2 points dyan by number 30. Oras natin ay 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Sir Ignacio, ginugulo. Easy 2 points by Sir Gallardo. Sir Ignacio, wala. Kuha ni Sir Torres. Sir Torres, made away shot. Wala. Kuha ni Sir Kim. Sir Kim, nagmamadali. Pass to number 30. Pinasa tayo number 2. Good for 2. Time out. Time out. Referee. Foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul and first team foul. Sir Ignacio, tinan sa gilid. Ano gagawin ni Sir Ignacio? Sir Ignacio, umikot! Good for 2.
Harap.
Deflected yan kay Sir Philip. Sir Ignacio nagmamadali. Pass to Sir Philip. Wala. Kuwani, number 9. Pass to Sir Gallardo. Eurostep. Good for 2 by Sir Gallardo. Sir Ignacio, wala. Kuwani, Sir Philip, rebound. Good for 2 by Sir Philip. Sir Gallardo, pass to. Ang ganda pasa. Binigay pa, oh. Wala. Kuha ni Sir Torres. Deflected by Sir Gallardo.
Yan ang bad.
Hello.
Red ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Deflected yan by number 3. Number 3, pass to number 13. Nagmamadali. 4-on-1. Ano gagawin ng Mage? Dinerecho na. Wala. Sir Gallardo, pinasa pa ulit. Ang ganda naman nun. Good for 2. Foul. Foul number 9. Number 9, first personal foul and second team foul. Ito na naman ang bridge team. Pass to number 30. Kaso hindi nakuha. Sir Torres nagmamadali. Sir Torres, ano gagawin ni Sir Torres? Easy 2 points by Sir Torres. Score natin ay 13-22. Under 1 minute ng first quarter. Number 2 by Sir Torres. "15 seconds to shoot." Okay, buzzer na lang po maririnig ha. 20 seconds. Buzzer na lang po maririnig. Seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Nice pass. Score po natin ay 22-17 in favor of Beige Team. To shoot, 15 seconds. 10 to shoot, deflected by Sir Gallardo. Sir Gallardo, pass to number 28. Balik sa kanya. Foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul and first team foul.
Master, tayo kino ha. Full court tayo ha. Full court na tayo. Kaya may master eh.
Unang tira, pasok yan. Rebounded by Sir Ignacio. Grabe naman yun. Full pressure. Huli na naman. Good for 2 again. Lamang na ng 11. Torres foul. Foul number 15. Number 15, first personal foul and first team foul. Sir Gallardo, pass to number 28. For 3, wala. Rebound yan by Sir Torres. Sir Gallardo naman. Yun lang, napalakas ang pasa. Good for two by Sir Guillermo. Pagpapasa sa ilalim. Good for two by Sir Torres. Score po natin, 24-29. Number on page. Dadagdagan pa ata. Wala.
Laking foul.
Jersey number 8, 28. First personal foul and second team foul. Rebound ulit to Sir Ignacio. Foul! Foul, jersey number 9.
09 tsaka 9 na. 09 tsaka 9. May 09 tsaka 9. 09. Foul talaga pare.
Jersey number 9, first personal foul and third team foul. Pasok mo muna. Pasok ang dalawang tira. Foul. Foul number 15. First personal foul and second team foul.
Pwede pa.
Rebounded by Sir Philip. Steve, pinasa po, pinalik po. Sayang, red po. Gandang pasa. Sino makakuha? Traveling na, Sir Gallardo. Sayang naman yung pass break na yun. Sayang naman yun. Score natin, 29-26. Lamang pa rin ang page. Nulit na. Baldog. Good for two. Deflected by kay Sir Pablo, Sir Torres. Mandatory substitution rate. Pasok, labas. Labas, pasok. Lamang na po ang red. 30-29. Grabe naman yan, team effort. 5 versus 10.
Grabe.
Easy 2 points yan. Sir Ignacio nakakalabaw, foul yan. Foul, number 3. Number 3, first personal foul and 14 foul. Warning for penalty na po ha. Sayang. Sir Pablo. Ang gagawin ni Sir Pablo. Kumuha ng dress. Wala. Kuha ni Sir Kim. Sir Kim, pass to number 30. Easy 2 points yan by number 30. Foul number 3. Number 3, second personal foul and penalty. Penalty na po tayo ha. Two for two by Sir Torres. Foul, jersey number 8. Commissioner, first personal foul and third team foul. Number 28, wala, Kuwani. Hinila. Hinila. Commissioner, second personal foul and warning for penalty. Deflected yan kay Sir Ignacio. Torres, wala. Ayun na, Sir Kim. Sir Kim, ano gagawin ni Sir Kim? Good for 2 points by Sir Kim. Fast break na naman sa beach team. Time out! Ready. Out of bounds, ready. Bola po ng beach. Ang ganda naman sa ilalim na yun. Sayang. Muntik na yun.
Late ka.
Bang, bang.
Tui Sevillamo. Sevillamo, anong gagawin? Hot step, foul! Sayang. Penalty na po, bench team. Penalty na po, ref. Penalty. Wala talaga. Sayang naman yun. Sir Ignacio nagmamadali. Good for two by Sir Ignacio. Ang ganda naman yun. Sumabay ka pa. Beach ball. Sayang. Sir Pablo. Perimeter shot. Wala. Kuwani. Number 3. Passes sa number 30. Anong gagawin number 30? Pass sa number 28. Good for 2. Sir Torres, sinaras. Number 30, nawan number 30. Pasa Sir Kim, bomba. Foul yan. Penalty na po tayo, red team. Sir Ignacio, first personal foul. Good for two by Sir Kim. Mas madali daw, sabi ni Sir Torres. Buzzer na lang po maririnig. Buzzer na lang. 10 seconds. Ang ganda ng pasa.
Walang bilang yun, pero ang sabi ng basket, tag 5 seconds.
Sorry.
15 pa lang eh. 15 seconds pa lang, so sabi ko na.